Hi boys and girls, welcome to this video. This is all about counting in eights. It's a brand new pattern that we need to learn in year 3, the 8 times table. Here we go. So what is the pattern when you count in eights? Well, have a look at my Lego bricks. All my Lego bricks have got 8 blobs on them. So let's look at the numbers. Count with me. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88 and 96. Quite a tricky pattern, but you'll notice they're all even numbers. There are no odd numbers in the 8 times table. So can we remember it? Got a little verse to try and help you. Here we go. 8, 16, 24. Have you heard this before? 32, 40, 48. We are doing really great. 56, 64, 72. Am I giving you a clue? 80, 88, 96. We will get lots of ticks. So you can always try and remember that to help you remember this quite tricky pattern. Let's have a look at the pattern, but somebody's rubbed some out. Have a look. What do you think is the missing number? Remember, you can count the blobs on the Lego bricks. 8, 16, 8 more. Pause the video to count if you need to. Well done if you said 24. Great job. Here's another one. Oh, it's the yellow one that's missing now. What's the missing number? 8, 16, 24, 32. What's 8 more? Well done if you said 40. Really great. There goes another one. What's 8 more than 56? Well done if you said 64. Oh no, now this time there's 3 missing. Can you see them? What's 8 more than 8? 8 more than 20, 64, and 8 more than that. Let's start with the one on the top. 8 more than 8. Well done if you said 16. 8 more than 64 is 72. And we can now use the 72 to count 8 more on to see that the missing one there is 80. Brilliant job if you got those. So my turn, your turn. I'm going to say the times table and you need to use the blocks to tell me the answer. My turn. 1 times 8 is. Well done. 8. My turn. 2 times 8 is. Have you got it? 16. My turn. 3 times 8. Well done. 24. 4 lots of 8 are. Great job if you said 32. 5 times 8 is. Your turn now. 40. Brilliant. We can use our 8 times 5 for that one. 6 times 8 is. What is it? Brilliant. 48. 7 times 8 is. Getting tricky now. 56. 8 times 8 is. Well done. 64. 9 times 8 is? Tricky one. Your turn. 72. Easy one now. 10 times 8. We can use 8 times 10 to help us with this one. Your turn. Easy. 80. 11 times 8. 8 more. 88. Great job. And 12 times 8. Your turn for the last one. Tricky one. 88 add 8. Brilliant. 96. Getting good at this now. Let's mix them up. What's 3 times 8? Don't forget you can pause the video if you need to. 24. 10 times 8. Oh, that's that easy one again. We can do 8s. 80. 8 times 8. Pause the video if you need to. 64. 4 times 8. 32. 6 times 8. Tricky one, this one. 48. Now, the time has come for me to share, shh, don't tell anybody, my top tip and trick for learning your 8s. Now, if you know your 4s, you'll be grand at your 8s because your 4s times tables can help you with your 8s because you know that 8 is double 4. There's an 8, and look, 2 4s are exactly the same. So whatever we get for a 4 times table, we can double to get the answer for the 8s. Let me show you how it works. So 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. So if we double that, we get 1 times 8, which is 8. Let's look at another. 2 lots of 8. Well, 2 lots of 4 are 8. If we double it, we've now got 2 lots of 8. So we double the 8 to get 16. So use what you already know. 8 aren't that hard. We can do it. 3 times 8. Well, 3 4s are 12. I know that. We've been learning it. Double it. Double 12 is 24. Easy. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8. Well, 4 times 4, there they are, is 16. All we need to do is double it to find 4 times 8. Double 16 is 32. Great job. 5 times 8. I know my 5 times 4. There's my 5 lots of 4. Double it to find 5 lots of 8. It's 40. What a great trick. Shh, don't tell anyone though. Let's have a test now. 6 times 8. Use the image at the bottom to help you. 1 times 6, 1 times 8, 2 times 8, 3 times 8, 4 times 8, 5 times 8, 6 times 8. Well done if you said 48. I could have done 6 4s are 24 and double it. 3 times 8. 24. I know 3 4s are 12 and I just doubled it. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 4s are 36. Double 36 is 72. Brilliant job, boys and girls. It is tricky, this. Keep practicing. Have another look at my rhyme to help you. 8, 16, 24. Have you heard this before? 32, 40, 48. We are doing really great. 56, 64, 72. Am I giving you a clue? 80, 88, 96. We will get lots of ticks. We sure will, boys and girls, but shh, remember, don't tell anybody my top tips and tricks. See you next time.